Hello everyone! First of all, let's be honest. Mathematics can sometimes feel like a scary monster waiting to bite us, right? But don't worry, I'm here to tame that monster for you. You don't need to be Einstein, you just need a secret code. That secret code is PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. Think of it as the traffic lights of math. It tells you who goes first so you don't crash your calculation. Here's the plan. Step 1, P, 4 parentheses. Always start inside the brackets. They are the bosses of the equation. Step 2, E, 4 exponents. Next, handle the powers and square roots. They have a lot of energy and need to be settled early. Step 3, M and D, multiplication and division. These two are like twins. They have equal power. Just move from left to right. Whichever one you see first, solve it. Step 4, A and S. Addition and subtraction. The last step. Again, follow the left to right rule. Piece by piece, you'll reach your final answer. It's that simple. Now, in the clip on the right side of the screen, we're solving a real-life example. Would you like to watch it to make sure you've got it down perfectly? Have a wonderful day.